Hey, what's up, guys, and thanks for joining. Today, we're going to talk about the Joyroom PODIX 140 watt 5-port desktop charger. And we're going to talk more about it right after this. Just to cover some quick highlights, it has as you can see here, two retractable Type-C cables, 3 Type-C charging ports, and 2 Type-A charger ports. Now, one of the Type-C charging ports charges up to 140 watts, while the other 2 charges up to 100 watts, and both of the Type-A charging ports. This does have fast charging built into it, and it can actually charge your laptop full within 25 minutes. It's small and portable for packing or traveling. And it also has some safety features built into it, such as EMI protection, overload protection, overheat protection, over voltage protection, and lightning surge protection. So you can plug your devices up to this and not have to worry about those type of issues. As you can see, this circle right here, which we're going to see later on, it's touch sensitive, and you're able to have animated emojis or switch in between screens by tapping here. And that way you can see what's going on as far as charging. So it makes it pretty fun and at the same time useful. And with that stated, let's have a closer look at the box. Zoom in here. As you can see there, 140 watts fast charging. Turn to the side here really fast. And feel free to pause if you want to look at this stuff. Switched over here. Some information there. You can see how it can charge your devices right here. Nice little snapshot. You take a look at the back details there. And with that stated, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Here's everything that comes inside the packaging. You have the PODIX right here, power cable. This is a tri-magnetic base. And of course, you have your manual here. Remove all of this here. Both Type-Cs are stating 100 watts, so you can charge your laptop with this one, charge a cell phone, or what have you there. Of course, you pull it out and yank it again to make it stop, or to keep it at that length, and then when you're ready to retract it, just yank it again. Goes right back in. Again, nice and small and compact, easy for travel. But you have your ports down here, 30 watt Type-A, 30 watt Type-A, and then 140 watt Type-C. So altogether, you can charge up to 5 devices using these 3. And then the 2 over here. Very straightforward. And this is the magnetic base. You can see the little magnet icon right here. And this is the back. As you can see, it's sticking on there magnetically. Let me see, can it go this? Yeah. So you want to make sure the magnet area is facing backwards. And this is facing forward. And it sticks right on there. And then this is adhesive, so you can have it on the table, and then when you want to retract one of these, it's going to hold steady. Pull it, charge what you want to charge, yank it back without having the base move. Now, the adhesive on the bottom of this tri-magnetic base is actually acrylic. So if you look closely here, this is not 3M. So when it gets dirty, it is washable and it should begin to stick again. So that's definitely good to know and good to have. Now let's go ahead and get this plugged up. Take this off here. As you can see here, it's powered on. Got the cute emoji here. As you can see, it's going to sleep because I'm not charging anything. So let's go ahead and start charging some devices. I'm going to place it on this base. As I said, this needs to be in the back so you know that you're on here correctly. Place that down. Let me get a few devices. 2 phones and a laptop. I still have room for 2 more, but just to show you and demonstrate, I'm going to use the Type A port for this one. So I'm going to plug it in here. That takes care of that. Let's go ahead and plug this phone in. Starts charging right away. I'm going to use one of these here. Super fast charging, as you see there. Pretty dope. Charge the laptop. And the laptop should be charging as well. And let's take a close look here. Move these out the way. Already at 12%, and this was a dead battery. As you can see there, it's showing 3 devices charging. Get a little closer. You can see 3 devices charging and the wattage that is charging. It's pretty cool there. If I press here, you get an emoji there. Press it again. You can see that. So you got those 3 different screens you can look at. I prefer this screen here, so that way I can know where I am regarding all the connected devices. And again, you get up to 140 watts, as you can see there. Right now I'm using 52 watts out of the 140 watts. Here's my laptop that's connected. As you can see, it's charging as well. All in all, I definitely think this is a good buy. It's small, compact, easy for travel. You can charge up to 5 devices, and it has fast charging built into it and some other nice features. Now, if you're interested in this, please use the link in the description section to make the purchase, as it does help out the channel. But this completes my review for the Joyroom PODIX